Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on DOOGEE V40 Pro. So first go into the settings on your phone, then scroll to battery, battery saver and enable battery saver. I'll disable it for now because I want to show you all the options and battery saver turns some options for me. Now scroll to the top and find display. You can enable adaptive brightness right here, the dark theme. Scroll down to screen timeout and shorten this time to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top to the quick settings and disable every setting that you're not currently using, so like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, Hotspot, something like that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.